Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will explore multi-path reasoning, a problem-solving approach where we can evaluate different solution paths before designing. So, here now I'm going to tell my problem statement, which is make an interactive video tutorial demonstrating multi-path reasoning for a complex problem. Show at least two reasoning paths and explain why exploring multiple paths improves accuracy. Now, let's go on to our presentation. So, now uh, this is the introduction for the multiple path reasoning, a problem solving approach where we evaluate different solution paths before deciding. So, now we are going to take a scenario which is planning a trip on a budget. Problem setup. A student wants to travel from Delhi to Bangalore within a budget of 15,000. So the basic needs of a student are affordable, comfortable, and efficient travel plus accommodation. So here the total budget of a student is 15,000. Now we are going to set up his itinerary. For the part 1, his option is going to be flight plus budget hotel. The flight costs 7,000 for a trip, so both up and down. And for a hotel, the minimum cost is up to 2,500 for a day. Then it will become 10,000 for 4 nights. Then the total amount which is going to calculate it will be 17,000, which is the over budget. This path is fast and comfortable, but it exceeds the budget. Part 2, train plus hostel stay. So for the train, it costs 2,000 for a complete trip, and for hostel, basic charge for a day is 1,000 rupees. Then it will become 4,000 for 4 nights. Rather than this, if student wants, as the student wants food and some of the miscellaneous things or items, he will going to spend 5,000. Up to here, the total budget is 11,000, which is within the budget. This path is slower but affordable, leaving extra funds for food and sightseeing. Now, we are going to compare the two paths, which is option 1, flight plus hotel is up to over the budget, whereas train plus hostel is within the budget. The comfort is high in the option 1, but the budget is over than the estimated one. Whereas in option 2, the comfort is medium, but it is the minimum budget. The option 1 will take the less time compared to the second option. So by exploring two reasoning paths, we see that the train plus hostel plan is more practical for this budget. If we had only checked flights, we might have assumed the trip was unaffordable. So why multipath reasoning matters? Exploring multiple paths prevents bias, uncovers hidden options, and improves accuracy. So, in management information systems and AI, this approach is crucial for budget optimization, scheduling, and risk analysis. So, we have to think in multiple ways to get the better accuracy. So, here is a small challenge to you. Now it's your turn. Suppose the budget increases to 20,000. Which option would you select? Option A, flight plus hotel. Option B, train plus hostel. So After selection, think about the pros and cons because when you're going to choose option A for luxury, there may be a little amount for your miscellaneous activities, and when you're going to choose option B, then you're going to save money for your experiences, but the comfort is little bit less than compared to the option A. So we are going to get a conclusion that multipath reasoning helps us to think beyond a single solution, whether it's planning a trip or optimizing a budget or managing resources in a manufacturing company or exploring multiple paths leads to the smarter decisions. So here you have to always ask or always think that what as other plans exist or what other paths exist which gives us more accurate results. Thank you.